We're going to be showing you the laziest ways to make money online today. Best for complete beginners because it's easy and it will not require any skills or experience from its applicants. We're going to be showing you guys a few apps that are actually going to pay you to basically do nothing. You could literally be lounging around or straight up sleeping and it won't even matter because you're still going to get paid. Again, it's worldwide available, so even if you're from India, Nigeria, or the Philippines, you can join and get the chance to earn $100 in the laziest ways possible. What's up everybody and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. The first app that we're going to be talking about is called Screenlift.io. As you can see, the first screen that pays you. How it works is step 1, customize your first screen. Personalize your first screen with our many unique features. Step 2, use your phone. Just use your phone as usual. And last step, get paid when you open your phone. Earn lifts each time you open your phone and cash out for real money. If you scroll down, you'll see some user testimonials that will assure you that this website has paid people real cash just to open their phones, which is something that most people do unconsciously every single day of their lives. If you want to sign up, then just download this app on your phone or sign up on their website. And don't worry, this works on both Android and iOS devices, so don't even worry about that. We're talking about the apps from the least paying to the most paying, so we're just getting started here, so make sure that you don't go anywhere. Next app is called Get Slidejoy, and as you can read, Slidejoy will give you cash-like rewards just for using our lock screen. We will be showing you the latest trending news and interesting personalized ads on the first screen of your phone. There's no need for you to do anything more. Just go about your normal day, swipe, unlock, use, and finally redeem the carrots we give you for awesome cash rewards or gift cards. Choose gift cards from your favorite retailers or brands like Amazon, Google Play, Walmart, and a lot more. You can even donate the free money we give you and put it towards charity. Make extra money online by downloading our free lock screen app today. How it works? Once you register on Slidejoy, every time you unlock your phone, you will get a card with news or a promotion on your lock screen. You're going to slide up on your lock screen to see more news, slide right on your lock screen to unlock your phone and just to go to your home screen, and slide left on your lock screen to get more information on the content, slide down on your lock screen to access your notifications and app shortcut menu. To get reward with Slidejoy, you do not have to slide left, tap for money, or do anything other than to use your phone as you normally would. It's a no-hassle app. You also don't receive more or less for engaging with ads. Yes, it's literally that simple. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Slidejoy is an award-winning lock screen app that has been featured on the Today Show, Wall Street, The Journal, TechCrunch, CNBC, Business Insider, Fox, and more. Our team is always looking for extra ways to keep our users happy. So feel free to send us feedback and make your way to our Facebook page. So simply download this app and get paid just by even having it downloaded on your device. And our last one, which is a bonus app, is called s1.wintub.com, and this is their website. Earn money watching new videos online. How does it work? We have partners at Wintub, love share multiple videos. So why not get paid by watching videos online in your free time? We pay you cash simply for watching short videos or TV show trailers. How it works, you're gonna watch videos, either commercial ads, movies, or TV shows online. It's the perfect way to earn money at Wintub. Refer your friends. We will confirm as soon as your friend joins, and you're gonna get $1 and your friend gets $5. And of course, get paid. As the money flows in, you can transfer it to your bank account, PayPal account, and a lot more options. They have a lot of trusted partners, so you can trust this website. Now, who we are and what we do? Wintub is the most popular spot online to earn cash for watching videos for the everyday thing that you already do online. Earn money when watching entertaining videos. Finally, you can get cash from PayPal, web money, Bitcoin, and more. Wintub has already paid out members. You can put cash in your wallet and you can join for free today. To sign up, just click on Get Started, and then you're going to be taken to here where you're going to fill up your email, your first name, your last name, your birthday, your gender, your email, your password. Confirm you're not a robot, and boom, just like that, as soon as you hit on sign up, you finally have yourself an account. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. And this is how the app or the website should look like inside your account. And if you aren't aware, you can already get $5 as a sign-up bonus, and it's recorded right here on your dashboard. Then if you look below, you're going to immediately see the video that you can watch and the corresponding payment that you can receive from it. Now these are not big amounts, but if you watch all the videos offered or as much of the videos that you can, then the money accumulated will definitely end up being a great sum. But the only way you're going to earn a decent amount in a day is if you try all 3 apps or website that we had just shown you in today's video. So make sure that you do and let us know how everything goes and works. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.